Hey guys, we're back here again today, HardRacing, doing our What's Inside the Box Rigid Series LED lights, and today we are doing the Rigid 262213. This is their D Series Side Shooter Pros. These are the spotlight surface mounts. Really important, obviously, to make sure that you note that these videos are on showing you one specific part number, but generally they cover a range. This one is offered in a black or white. It's offered in a spot, flood, or driving series. So obviously those are multiple different part numbers, but essentially this is still going to be the same exact what comes in the box. So you get these two LED cubes with the side shooter LEDs, the Deutsch connectors. You get a really nice stainless steel hardware kit for each light, and those mount in the bottom so that you can mount the light pretty much any way you want it. Stainless steel hardware, and of course a complete wire harness with relay and LED toggle switch. And as we always mention in the videos, always make sure that you're getting genuine rigid products by ensuring that they have a serial number tag on the wire. Very important. If they don't have a wire, then they'll have a serial number on the actual light, but it's either there or here. It's always important to check that because there are lots of knockoffs out there. And again, this is what's inside the box. These are the Rigid Side Shooter Pros. Excellent lights, very popular product, and everything that's included is what you see right here. As always, please make sure to subscribe, bottom right corner, and click on that bell icon. We're going to have a whole bunch more of these videos. That way you get notified when we come out with a new one. And of course, as always, leave a comment below, good or bad. We'd love to hear from you. Future videos that you think we should do and whatnot. And check us out on Facebook, forums, Instagram, and Twitter. And of course, the best way to get a hold of us directly through our website or our email. And you can also call us directly, hardracing.com.